Jamaican sprint legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce officially announced her retirement from track and field on Tuesday following a glittering 18-year career.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce had previously indicated that the national championships in June would be her last and had also noted that the Tokyo World Championships would have been her final global meet. A 3-time Olympic gold medalist and a 10-time world champion, Fraser-Pryce bid farewell on social media on Tuesday as the most decorated 100-meter sprinter of all time. The 38-year-old finished her career at the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo in September, adding a silver in the 4x100-meter relay to her overall world's medal tally to a stunning 16.
To see this moment come full circle is truly a wonderful thing, and for me it's also equally grateful to have young athletes, Tina and Tia, Johnny too, but yeah, right? Because this is where I started young, just like them, and you can talk about what happened after that. So it's really awesome to be able to run with the team and to have the caliber of ladies to continue to represent the country. We have to give God thanks because, as always, we don't put any medal out there. We have to come out here and work for it, and we are grateful.
Known affectionately as the Pocket Rocket, Fraser-Pryce shot to Olympic stardom at Beijing 2008 as she topped the 100-meter podium at her debut games before successfully defending her title 4 years later in London. She made further history on the world stage when she won her 5th 100-meter title in 2022, becoming the first athlete to ever achieve such a feat in a single individual event. At age 35, the victory also made her the oldest athlete to become world champion in the 100 meters. Fraser-Pryce wrote on Instagram on Tuesday, "For the past 18 years, time, down to the very millisecond, has been at the epicenter of my life. Time has been the measure, the test, and the reward." She further added, "This sport has given me joy beyond measure. It has shaped me, disciplined me, and carried me to heights I could only dream of as a young girl in Waterhouse." She added, "It has been the greatest honor to carry our flag across the world. We may be small, but we are mighty, and I am humbled to have represented the strength of our nation with passion on the global stage." Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.